God is within her. She will not fall. God will help her at break of day. Hey, my name is Adesha. If you are new, and you are in the right place if you are trying to take better care of your natural hair and find different ways to style it. I am using aloe vera juice to first just spritz and wet my hair, and then I will go in with a leave-in conditioner. My hair is already freshly washed and conditioned. I've already deep conditioned, so now I'm just re-wetting it to apply the leave-in conditioner, and then we will start to do the slick back. If you've been keeping up with me, then you know that I have big chopped, and I did that because I wanted to start over on my natural hair journey and actually take care of my hair and trim it. I had a lot of split ends and they were traveling up and my hair just looked terrible. So with that being said, I am definitely trying to find ways to style this big chopped hair. I'm trying to find styles that work for me because I have always had long hair. My hair has never been this short. But to start off with the slick back, I am going to use this DIY flaxseed gel. I also added aloe vera gel into this flaxseed gel, but I'm using this to just kind of smooth my hair downwards, to kind of train my hair to go in the direction that I want, which is down. So definitely get you like a lightweight gel. I definitely would recommend maybe the Curl Maker by Camille Rose, or you can use I believe it's the African Pride aloe vera gel, but you can use either one of those gels as a lightweight gel to just train your hair to go downwards. And then also get you a detangling brush. I like this one. I got it from Amazon. I don't really know the actual name of it, but I can definitely list it in the description box below. You can also use the unbrush. I really wanted to try that brush, but just use any detangling brush that you have. But yeah, I definitely want to try the unbrush. It's been getting a lot of like popularity on TikTok, and I definitely want to try it just to see what the hype is about. But anyways, just make sure you are detangling your hair and trying to train it to go in the direction that you want. And definitely don't, so I have a hard bristle brush here, but definitely don't brush your hair hard. You want to do very light, like minimal pressure when you are using this hard bristle brush. That is also going to help create waves. I wanted a like wavy textured look, so definitely use a light pressure when you are using the hard bristle brush when you are smoothing your hair to go back. Oops. Okay, so yeah, this flaxseed gel is very slippery, so you definitely just want a gel that has a lot of slip. And I applied a lot of this flaxseed gel, and then I'm going to detangle some more. This is a process, okay? It's gonna take a while to kind of just train your hair to go down, so definitely schedule some time for you to just, you know, train your hair to go down and slick and do this slick back. It's not going to be a quick 1-2 step. Okay, you definitely need to train your hair. And then the next step, I am going to use a more of a hard hold gel, like a gel that has a strong hold. So I chose to use this Edge Booster Styling Gel. This gel has a very strong hold, and I use that on top of the lightweight gel. Once I apply that gel, then I'll start to kind of smooth my hair going backwards, and then I'll start to try to put my hair into a ponytail. You definitely want to go back in with the hard bristle brush to make sure that you don't have any flyaways. And remember to use light pressure when using the hard bristle brush. This is going to create waves, and I like that look. And also, I will say that slick backs really do not look good on me, in my opinion. My head is shaped weird, so I don't like when my hair is like stuck to my head, you know, like really slick. I don't like that sleek, slick back look. That's why I wanted the waves, and that's why I did light pressure. But of course, if you like that really sleek, smooth look, then definitely apply more pressure with the hard bristle brush. That is going to really help you achieve that look. I tried not to fast forward anything and put this video in like real time so you guys can actually see how many times it took me to actually smooth my hair down before I put it in that ponytail. You want to make sure your hair is completely smooth down before you actually decide to put the hair tie and tie your hair up into the ponytail. Now, you do not have to do it this tight like I did. I don't know why I did it like this, but I eventually had to take my hair out of the ponytail and redo it. Now, you will have to do that a couple of times. It sometimes, maybe if you're lucky, the first time you put the hair tie on and do the ponytail, maybe you won't get any lumps, okay? But I got some lumps, so I had to like smooth my hair down with a rat tail comb, go back in with some more gel, and then redo the ponytail. I did that about 3 times to make sure that my hair was smooth and there weren't any lumps. Alright, so now I'm going to get to my edges. I'm just going to do a little bit of swoops the best way I could. I'm really not good with doing natural hair swoops, and I've come to realize that I'm really just not good doing baby hairs and swoops on my own natural hair, but I can do it really good on a wig, just not my hair. I don't know why. So I'm just doing that, and I did get my favorite edge control, and it is also put out by Edge Booster as well. Next, to finish everything off, I am going to spritz my hair with some Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm going to go in with a hair dryer, and I'm just going to just kind of blow that down and seal it in. And I did switch from cool heat to low medium heat. Alright, so I have grabbed the hair out of the pack. I am using the Free Tress Water Wave 22-inch hair. This is in the color 1B. So once we take that hair out the pack, I did use half of the hair, so I cut it in half, and then I just got a detangling brush and just kind of, you know, combed it to make it bigger, and then I added a rubber band to it. So you can just feed the rubber band through just one time and then just hold it in the middle, and then you want to attach the rubber band to your ponytail. You can twist it around like once or twice to secure it, and then to hide your natural hair, all I did was twist up the Free Tress Water Wave hair, and then I kind of just twisted it around itself, making sure I was covering my hair, and then that's it. And then I added another rubber band on top to just secure it, and that was it. I wish I would have added the whole pack of hair so my bun could be a little bit bigger, but I'll know next time. And you can also do that for your reference. You can also use 2 packs of hair if you want. The hair only cost about $6.99, so $7 at the beauty supply store. But yeah, I am taking out pieces of the bun to make it look more messy, and I also added gel and just twirled the pieces around my finger to make it look even more messier. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for staying with me and keeping up with me and not clicking out of this video, okay? So, this is a very, very cute hairstyle for you short, natural hair girlies, okay? If you feel like you're struggling with your natural hair, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on human hair or a bunch of hair on wigs, whatever, definitely get you some like $7 hair at the beauty supply store. Get the water wave and make you a fake bun, okay? Get you a curly bun, get your little slick back, and you're good to go, okay? You can still achieve a slick back on short natural hair. Don't believe what they say, okay? As always, don't forget to give God the glory, because we would not be where we are today without Him. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah.